Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 words that change meaning when you add s. Number 1. Damage. It means harm or injury. Example, the storm caused damage to the house. When we add s to the word, it becomes damages, which means money paid as compensation. Example, the company paid damages after the accident. Number 2. Blind. It means unable to see. Example, he is a blind person. When we add s to the word, it becomes blinds, which means window coverings. Example, we closed the blinds to block the sun. Number 3. Minute. It means a unit of time. Example, can you wait a minute? When we add s to the word, it becomes minutes, which means written record of a meeting. Example, the minutes were approved. Number 4. Custom. It means a tradition or habit. Example, it is a local custom to greet guests warmly. When we add s to the word, it becomes customs, which means the government office that checks goods at a border or airport. Example, we had to show our passports at customs. Number 5. Content. It means feeling happy and satisfaction in something. Example, she is content with her life. When we add s to the word, it becomes contents, which means the items inside something. Example, the contents of the box were carefully packed. Number 6. Arm. It means a body part. Example, he hurt his arm. When we add s to the word, it becomes arms, which means weapons. Example, the army carried arms. Number 7. Good. It means morally right or beneficial. Example, that was a good idea to save time. When we add s to the word, it becomes goods, which means products or merchandise. Example, the store sells electronic goods. Number 8. Paper. It means a writing material. Example, I need paper for the printer. When we add s to the word, it becomes papers, which means documents or academic articles. Example, please submit your papers. Number 9. Wit. It means intelligence or quick humor. Example, her quick wit made everyone laugh. When we add s to the word, it becomes wits, which means mental ability to think and react quickly. Example, she kept her wits during the emergency. Number 10. Spirit. It means a person's mood, energy, or a soul-like being. Example, she has a strong spirit. When we add s to the word, it becomes spirits, which means alcoholic drinks. Example, they served beer and spirits. Wow, English can be sneaky, right? If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun English words with me. Bye for now.